So this is the audio device that I didn't know I needed. This is a Bluetooth transmitter. It's also a way to add Bluetooth to your devices that are older or just don't have Bluetooth. So this can be plugged into your speakers. It can be plugged into your devices like televisions. And then it can do the job of routing your sound where you want it to go, either out to Bluetooth or out to the cables, or use your phone to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth into this and then hook it up to your speakers, or listen to your computers or your televisions through Bluetooth on your headsets or your earbuds. Really neat. It's sort of a switchboard for all your audio devices. You've got all different ways you can set this up. There's a whole bunch of cords in here. Half the box is cords that you can use to set it up. And again, you can either use this as a transmitter or a receiver, or both. And you can transmit out to your earbuds or use your phone to connect to your speakers. Kind of goes both ways. Really fun device. That's why I bought it. Hope this helps.